traditional majge huli recipe at home. Take 6 green chilies, Asafetida, Jeera, curd, Channa dal, grated coconut, Methi, Coriander, ginger. Take your ash gourd and cut off the top of it. Cut it like this and cut its sides. Follow the same procedure for all of the pieces. Now cut them like this and place them in a separate bowl. Now to your kadai, add water. Add your ash gourd. Add salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Let it boil for some time. Roast some methi, add it to your mixer grinder. Add jeera and asafetida. Add your green chilies. Add ginger. Add coriander. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. Add channa dal. Mix it until they form a paste. Add the paste to the boiled ash gourd. Give them a good mix. Make sure each and every piece of the ash gourd is mixed with the paste. Add the remaining water. Add curd. Give it a good mix. Add salt to taste. Mix it around like this. Make sure to follow each and every step carefully if you want this to turn out good. To make a tadka, take a small cup and add oil. Add half spoon of black mustard seeds. Add asafetida. Add 3 red chilies. Add curry leaves and give them a good mix. This makes your tadka. Add it to the paste with ash gourd. Give it a good mix. Let it boil for some time. Your majge huli is now ready to serve. Pair it with some rice and it will be good. If you have a cold or you're sick, eat it with some hot rice so you'll feel better. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.